Email marketing is a great way to stay relevant in your customer's mind. An expertly crafted campaign can be targeted to select audiences to drive customers and convert them to buyers. In addition to capturing new customers, it's also an effective tool for building customers' loyalty. However, in order for email marketing to be effective, the emails have to get delivered in inbox. Hello everyone, I am Prashant Alay, email marketing specialist, and today I am going to share 5 tips on how to improve inbox delivery of email campaigns. 1. Create a different domain or a subdomain and use it only for email activity. Not for everyone, but you may wish to create a subdomain that is exclusively for email marketing purpose. The purpose behind doing this is that the subdomain will allow for domain-specific monetizing of your IP reputation and be able to succeed against some domain-based certification filters. Try not to use the same domain used for the company website. 2. Try to send emails from a dedicated IP address. Using a dedicated IP address can help to land emails into inbox, thereby increasing your deliverability rate. When your email send rate reaches a certain volume, it is advisable to switch to a dedicated IP address. This can help you in gaining control over your reputation and subsequently help in gaining high email delivery and getting the delivery confirmation email. 3. Try sending test email before sending it to the main list. Make a list of few email IDs to test the email campaign. What if the email you send to the list have something missing or is displayed with the link broken? Thus, it's a good idea to send a test mail, preferably to various emails such as Gmail, Outlook and Yahoo to check the quality of your email. It also helps to check whether it is landing in the inbox or the promotion category. Try tweaking the subject line or content if the text email is landing in promotion or spam tab. 4. Ask users to add you to their contact list. This method is useful in targeting high email delivery and ensures they enter in your customer's inbox. At every opportunity, remind your users to add your address to their contact list so that they keep on receiving interesting stuff from your end. The more people you get doing that, the better your deliverability will be. 5. Make sure that your users have the option to unsubscribe. You can't force anyone to click your call to action buttons or read your newsletters. Sometimes users get so frustrated with your emails that he starts flagging your email as a spam, and this can go against your reputation. So it's better to include the option of unsubscribe from the mail at the bottom of every newsletters. I hope these tips will certainly help you achieve a high email delivery rate and help you to land emails in inbox. Do subscribe to our channel for more of such informative content. Thank you.